Students, now we'll go for the question number 8. Find mean, any method, assumed mean method or direct method. One difference observed children in the class interval here. First one 0 to 6 and 6 to 10, 10 14, 14 20, 20 28, 28 38 and 38 40. It's a little difference. Here 6, here 4 again 4. 14 to 26 again, here 28 is there, again 10, 38 to 40 again 2. It's a completely different, okay. Class mark, when you are finding class mark in before sums, what we did directly, what is the gap? Added here. But there is no constant gap. Class size is different for each and everything, okay. That's why we have to find each class mark separately. Each class mark separately. Class mark is what is lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Each one we have to find. Yes, 0 plus 6. First one is 0 plus 6 by 2. What is answer? It is 6 by 2 means it is a 3. Then again 6 plus 10, 16. 16 by 2. 16 by 2. It is 8. 10 plus 14, 24. 24 by 2. What is answer? It is 12. Then 14 plus 20, 34. 34 by 2, it is 17. 20 plus 28, it is 48 by 2, it is 24. 28 plus 38, 8 plus 8, 16. Then 1, 2 plus 3 plus 1, 66 by 2, it is 33. Then again 38 plus 40, 8, 78 by 2, 78 by 2, 2 3s are, then again 2 8s are, 38. Okay, na? Then, sorry, it is 39. 39. Clear, we got xi value clearly. Then we will go for the fi xi. Have to multiply. We are doing direct method here. fi xi. Multiply 11 into 3. It's a 33. 10 into 8. 80. 7 into 12. 12 sevens are 84. 17 fours are 68. 17 fours are 68. 24 fours are, it is 96. 33 threes are 99 and 39 ones 39. Now we have to find sigma fi xi. Sigma or summation of xi fi xi. Add the terms now. All add it now. 3, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 21, 21 plus 9, 30, 39. Then 3 again here. 6, 15, 24, 30, 38, 38 plus 8, 46, 49, 49. What is the value here? Sigma fi xi value 499. Then I again find out sigma fi value. Add all the terms. 11 plus 10, 21, 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 4, 36, 39, 40. Sigma fi value is 40. What is the direct method formula? X bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Okay. Then apply here 499 divided by 40. 499 divided by 40. 499. 4s are 4 ones. 4 ones. Again, what is answer here? 2s are. Then 12 for the 48, 480. Then approximately again it is 4. Then again what is remaining? 4, 4 sevens are 28. Sevens, then again 5 approximately, that is, then again finally 12.475. This 75 is not ending, then again you write as like x bar is equal to approximately 12.4 is no change. The 75 can change it into 8. That is what we have to write here, approximate value. The x bar, the mean of a given data is, what is the final answer here? The mean of a given data is 12. X bar is equal to 12.48 approximately, that is. Okay. Children, observe only one thing here. When class interval is different, okay, it's not a regular class interval. It's different from each and everything, every class interval. That's why it's simple to use a direct method. For each xi value, what we have to find here? Adding. Add each term, then find out xi. And before sums, what we did actually? Directly what is the class size, just adding only. But here each and every term we have to find. Then normal fi xi same way, up to sigma fi xi value we have to find. Sigma fi value find out, then apply in the formula. You will get it directly. The mean is equal to what is approximately 12.48.